dream. If we keep walking toward there, if we keep walking inside there.